Can you use turmeric for teeth whitening? If you're looking for a way to use turmeric in your everyday life, try brushing with it. This recipe will show you how to make a DIY turmeric toothpaste. You'll need 1 teaspoon of high quality pure turmeric powder, peppermint extract or spearmint extract, water and a toothbrush. Instructions: 1. Pour out a little bit of high quality pure turmeric powder. Wet the bristles of your toothbrush and dip them into the powder. Don't dip your toothbrush directly into your turmeric container, as that can spread bacteria. 2. Brush your teeth like you usually would, spreading the turmeric powder on your gums and teeth. Instead of rinsing right away, let the powder sit on your teeth for at least 5 minutes. 3. Next, rinse out your mouth thoroughly with water. Then, brush your teeth again with regular toothpaste, tooth powder, or other tooth cleansing product. You may need to do some extra brushing and rinsing in case there's still stubborn turmeric powder left over.